Set against a brilliant French sky with puffy cumulus clouds, Lockheed Martin star test pilot Billie Flynn thrilled the crowd at Bourget Airport outside Paris, France today as he wheeled and tumbled his F-35A Lightning II through an aerobatic demonstration some critics claimed was nearly impossible. The performance included low speed, high angle of attack maneuvers, tight turning, numerous rolls, and maximum performance climbs that would silence the critics who said the F-35 could not dogfight and crush years of misinformation about what this aircraft is capable of doing. While the F-35 Advanced Sensor and Integration avionics are designed to win the fight long before the merge of aerial combat into visual dogfighting range, this demonstration aimed to show the controversial Joint Strike Fighter can hold its own in a knife fight with the Sukhois, MiG, Chengdus, Shenyang, and other likely adversaries. At the 200 mark in the video test, pilot Flynn positions the F-35A at show left and performs a high alpha, ultra-low speed pass, standing the Lightning II on her tail and dancing across the Paris sky as the aircraft's twinkle-toed elevators maintain stable flight on a boiling cushion of thrust from her growling Pratt and Whitney F-135 engine. It is a spectacular sight. Enough to silence the skeptics? Hard to say. Most probably not enough, considered what people are used to see when a fourth-generation aircraft, or the F-22, are able to do during an airshow routine. Returning to lower altitude in the demonstration box, Flynn performs a maximum performance, high G turn with afterburners, similar to what we've seen with many other demos. This version of the flight demonstration does not feature the open weapon bay doors, as with the F-22 demo we've seen many times. One of the F-35A demo routines does include a pass with the weapons bay doors open. Honestly speaking, the new PAS 2017 routine seems to be more dynamic than expected. But in terms of instantaneous and sustained turn rates, the F-35 does not seem to match the performance of the famous super-maneuverable Sukhoi, Eurofighter Typhoon, Gripen, or Rafale. Still, the unique features of the Joint Strike Fighter are its stealth design, sensor fusion capabilities, and unmatched SA, or situational awareness. That is to say, all the ingredients for success in modern air-to-ground operations. Comparing the F-35 to an F-22, Typhoon, or even F-18 in terms of energy maneuverability is probably wrong and misleading. So, let us know what are your thoughts after watching this demo. Do you think it's more than enough considered that the aircraft will probably never be engaged in the within visual range dogfight? Or it's rather disappointing because super maneuverability remains a key to succeed in modern scenarios?